How to get notified when someone posts on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on post notification for your favorite TikTok creator so you'll never miss their latest content again. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you'll have to make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the username or profile picture if they have recently posted something. Now once you're inside their profile, you'll see a bell icon. Simply tap onto it. And once you do that, you'll see options to turn on notification for post and live stream. To make sure you're fully updated, under post, select all. And in this way, TikTok will send you notification every time this creator shares a new video. And just like that, you are officially in the loop for all of their latest content. Well, now you'll need to go ahead and repeat this for each content creator you want to follow closely. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.